A radioisotope X with a half-life of 1.4 into 10 power of 9 years decays to Y, which is stable. A sample of the rock from the cave was found to contain X and Y in the ratio of 1:7. The age of the rock is we need to find here. Okay. Let us assume the X and Y ratio X is to Y is equal to 1:7. That means here total 178 parts are there. In this, the X contribution is 1 part and Y contribution is 7 part. If I'm going to find the value of here, it is X ratio. X ratio, that is X, that means 1 part out of 8 parts. That means X divided by X plus Y, which is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. This 1 by 8 we can write in terms of 1 divided by 2 whole to the power of 3. That means here this 3 corresponding to the 3 half-lives. 3 half-lives. Then the delta t time is equal to the age of the rock t is equal to 3 times into 1.4 into 10 to the power of 9. That means they are given here 1 half-life. And 3 half-life is 1.4 into 3 is nothing but 4.2 into 10 to the power of 9 years. So this one we can see in the option C. Option C is our right answer.